Okay, so we're going to make our little way down to Makro. We're going to do a little shopping, and we shall give you so it's going to be a short video just to sort of show you the shops and how things are done here, which is slightly different to where I come from, the UK, or perhaps where you come from. So let's take a ride. Here we go again. As you can see, traffic in Bangkok is busy, but it's always busy. It's just a normal thing. I know people come and say, oh, it's terrible, it's terrible. Do you know what? It makes no difference. It's always going to be the same. You just get on with it. It's simple as that. Just carry on. That's how it's always been. There's no difference. And here we are, going to our fuel stop.
อะไรนะคะอ๋อโอเคค่ะ95
Off to Makro. Down the Sukhumvit Road. Okay, so we're now stuck in Bangkok traffic. It's the usual, but literally because we're doing a U-turn, you move over to the right lane to do, and honestly, you could set up camp, have a campfire, play a few tunes, eat some great food on the roadside, and you might move a couple of meters. So this is the excitement of driving in Thailand. Oh look, oh, we're about to move. Oh my god, I'm excited. Here we go. 1, 2 meters. Way, that is fantastic. We're back in park. Maybe. It says no U-turn.
A U-turn. Please, excellent.
Yay.
Oh, thank you.
We just did a U-turn in a no U-turn area. And we're off again. Oh my god, it's amazing. That's much better this side, isn't it? I left. Maybe too early.
I hope because I'm bus stop and taxi.
It should move, so can't be there forever, can it? So okay, at least we're closer. Closer. Let's get out of the taxi lane and back in the room. Good timing, good timing. Always amazes me how much people can carry on motorbikes. 3 gas canisters, amazing. It's amazing. And this is a mobile vegetable shop in front of us. All his produce from his farm, takes them into town, sells them on the roadside. Brilliant, brilliant. Oh, Mr. Cyclist. The most hated community in the UK, cyclists. I know people have a big fear about driving in Thailand or in Bangkok especially, and yes, it's busy, but you just follow what everyone else does. It is definitely easier riding a motorcycle, without a doubt. You've got to have a little bit of courage, there's no question about that. If you don't have some courage, then yeah, if you're a nervous driver, a nervous rider, definitely don't drive in Bangkok. It's not the place for you. And now we're indicating to see how long we might get across fairly easily. We'll see. Let's see. Challenge accepted. Here we go. Opportunity. There it goes. Well, that was easy. if you're getting a few small things, you just nip down here on your motorbike. We've got a back box on ours, so we can just put a few odds and sods. But today we're getting things a little bit bigger, so we thought we'd bring the car. The next challenge is, can we find a parking? None there. Okay, here we are at Makro. I'll try and reverse this video if I can. We're going to go and do a bit of some food shopping, a few odds and sods. So come and join us. Let's go. This is what is Makro. It's different to the Makros we have in Europe. I really like these places, but yeah, it's a big old shop. You get kind of most of what you want here. And you'll see a foreigner coming up on the left. That's the first one we filmed, I guess. Anyway, bad luck. Look at this fresh fish. Amazing for seafood. Actually, I want to show you this. I'll just take you around that road. Look at all this, all these prawn, massive selection of stuff. You've got like squid, you've got calamari, you've got pretty much, as I said, it's all you just serve up yourself here. It's not. It's pretty cool. What's pretty interesting here is all your meat is served like this, and you actually choose up your own stuff, get however much you want, you stick it all together, and then they weigh it up, and that's how you do it. It's all proper fresh. Okay, so now what we're doing is they have the different sections. This is all the pork. See I mean, literally everything. Look at that. It's just, honestly, it's so fresh. It's fantastic. So, sorry, all you vegetarians or vegans. This is my world, the world of meat. I mean, look, I talk about eating everything. Honestly, nothing goes to waste here, which is the way it should be. You know? If you're going to eat meat or anything, then you need to eat it all. And actually, you need to see it like this as well. All these pretty packets are not reality, are they? So that's 128 baht for a kilogram, which is like £2.50, £2.60, something like that. Try. See frozen goods here as well. They've got spices and so forth at the top. You can sort of see here peppercorns. Some things are a lot more expensive here than in the UK, but other things are pretty reasonable. And I have to say the quality of the meat here is really good and totally affordable. There's a lot of fresh herbs and spices here. It's awesome. Anyway, let's not spend time looking at shelves, shall we? Right, so what we have here is a little selection. We've got eggs, a bit of coffee, quite a bit of meat to be fair, and then a pack of 30 packs of noodles. Now, I will tell you the price on the way out, and I will give a guesstimation into pounds because I never get it quite right. So yeah, that's it. Now at the checkout, here we go. Let's see what's going to happen. That's in it. Right, so we're back in the car. That cost 1,240 baht, which is around £27.55. We got a fair amount of meat, to be fair. That's probably what the biggest expense was. We got some noodles and we just got some coffee. So not a lot of stuff. Oh, some eggs. I see we got some eggs as well. So it doesn't sound like a lot of stuff, but we did get quite a lot of meat. We got pork, 3 types of pork. We got chicken. So we got minced pork, belly pork, and then pork shoulder or thigh, I'm not quite sure. And we got some chicken, quite a bit. So yeah, not actually too bad, to be fair. Turning, I hope, otherwise they're going to crash into us. Right, we're on. Here we go. Again, middle lane. Sure. Oops, I think if I just go to this side. Ah, our favourite cyclists are back. Actually, you don't really come across too many cyclists, not that I've seen. And if you do, they tend to be foreigners with the same arrogance as cyclists in the UK who think they own the road. So, but generally the locals don't, they get out the way. So it's an interesting concept. Also, just to let you know, in Thailand, if the light's on red, you are legally allowed to turn left if it's clear, as it is for us right now. So that wasn't an illegal turn. That's a bit of a traffic tip.